Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's still Thursday, November the 24th, 2022. And I've already solved in this additional three puzzles: the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. It's time now for the last puzzle for the Tectonic. Yes, Tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 5533. 5533. Alright. And before I start, I always count the printed digits row. This one has 14 printed digits. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. But for 4 stars, a puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. But I think this one should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 14. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. Only one single box, always a 1. Do we have here in this puzzle dual boxes? Let me scan. No, dual boxes, triple boxes then. Let me see. Do we have triple boxes? No. I see a couple of quadra boxes here. Quadra box. Here also a quadra box. I cannot fill the numbers yet. And their quadra box cannot fill those numbers. 3 quadra boxes. All right. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, we have here the Z construction. Let me draw the Z construction here. If you flip this or mirror this shape, then you get the S shape or S figure, structure or constructions, whatever you name it. All right. Well, when you see the Z construction, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Alright. The Z construction. Here another Z construction. So this box has the same number as that box. And that box has the same number as this box. More Z construction. No, we have a T shape here. And that's the following shape. Rotated, the T shape. Well, when you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. All right, the T shape. More T shapes? No, only one T shape. How about the L shape? Upside down. We have here the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Only one L shape. Yes, one L shape. How about this shape then? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Alright, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? Let me see. Here, rotated. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Only 2 of them, yes. Then the final shape, I believe this shape is the last shape in this puzzle. Let me see. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. 5 shapes. 5 figures, structures or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. By the way, maximum are 6, but not in this puzzle. We have here only 5 of them. Maximum 6, yes. So you need to recognize those shapes when then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 1 and 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. This box is connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 2. Okay. So 2 the boxes left in this Z construction for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 3 and a 5, 3 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be a 3 and a 5, but it can be a 5 because it's in a quadro box. Quadro box consists only 1, the 2, the 3, and a 4. So no 5. So this box should be definitely a 3, and is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quarter box for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Okay. Then. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 2. Then. Let me see. Well. Yeah. I'm thinking. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround a 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes, so it's not a solution to place the 2 there. The 2 is supposed to be here. Alright. I think this box... No. This box can be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Then these 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this W area shape should be there. Then let me see. Well, These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this quarter box should be there. So 2 numbers left in this quarter box for the numbers 1 and 4, 1 and 4. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as pair, 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 1 number left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and the 5, 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. Okay. This box is also connected with that box, should be so 1 or a 4. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box cannot be 1 or a 4. We have a double 1 here and double 4 there. So the pair, the 1 and the 4 in this area should be here or there. 1 and the 4, so 1 digit left in this area should be the 5 then. Alright. Then let me see. 1 and a 4. I'm thinking. Well. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, can be 2. Let me think. Well, this box can be a 3, because if I place a 3 here, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there. So this box can be a 3. That box can also not be a 3. And this box cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this Z construction, or S should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. Let me mark those 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 5, so the 5 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left in this Z or S construction for number 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4. So 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Now we have a 4 there. I've marked those 2 boxes with a 4 and a 5. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 3. A 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 digit left in this area for number 4. A 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1, can be 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 2 and a 1, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 box left in this area for number 1. This box can be, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be, could be here or there, but we already have a 3 there, so this box can be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Okay, this box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 1 box left in this area for number 4. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4, 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Then I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely a 3. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Then this box can be a 4. This box can be a 5. So the 4 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes in this T-shaped area. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and 5. 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also a 2. Two numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 and a 5, we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here, and the 2 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Almost finished, almost finished. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Wow. Told you. Cannot be a 4 stars. No. Cannot be a 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars then. Yeah, I'm not faster than 50 minutes, so I will give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow. Yes, tomorrow, Friday, last day of the working week. So have a great and fantastic Thursday. See you tomorrow. Until then, bye-bye for now.